Alright, Amazon haul, here we go. I am currently in the US right now, and once I got the taste of how it is to order on Amazon, I got a little bit addicted. And the stuff I bought here is actually stuff that I really need, so I'm not just like buying to buy. Some of them I've already tried open just because I couldn't contain myself, and some things are still in the box just because I wanted to do this video. So let's begin. There's no specific order, let's just jump right into it. So first we have a cap right here. I did buy one in... Don't open it and talk at the same time. So I bought one in beige, and then I also bought one in black. I've already used the black one and I absolutely love it. It's pretty simple, no logo, no stuff like that. I just want a simple cap that I can have on when I'm having a bad hair day or when I'm at the gym. I do have noise cancelling earphones just to block everything out, but I don't even want to see people, okay? So if you're going to the gym, just put one on, shut off the world. I don't want to even exist when I'm at the gym. Get in and get out without anyone seeing me. And I'm also trying to do a thing in my closet where I have like a capsule closet where I just have like neutrals and simple pieces where I can mix match however I like. Timeless, you don't like overconsume. So I'm trying to be really like mindful of what I buy. I feel like I'm gonna be using this quite a bit, so I'm very happy with the purchase. So the next thing is actually what I'm wearing right now, which is a black top. Like, let me show you guys. Right? I think it is a workout top. I really love the simplicity of it, and it just kind of hugs my body just because the material is very thick. So as you guys can see, it's kind of like a workout top. It kind of hugs your body and snatches everything. I just feel like you look well put together with this top. I did buy one in beige as well. When you look at this beige one, it might look more like a workout top, but honestly, this top is nicer than the normal tops that I do have. Very stretchy, but thick as well. So yeah, as you guys can tell, I'm really into like neutral basic colors. The only thing about this though is that it's pretty short. I would like it to be like a little bit longer, but I feel like it's a nice top. It's a nice top. Oh, and I forgot to mention, of course, the sleeves. Love long sleeves. I don't know what it is. I feel like we ladies just love long sleeves. It feels comforting, it feels like elegant, it accentuates, all of that. So long sleeves, we love. So the next thing I have is a mirror, and I don't know about you guys, I do not like to do my makeup in the bathroom. I just don't like it. I've never liked it. I like to sit like on the floor in front of a window, just because if my makeup looks good in daylight, then it will look good. But sometimes when I do my makeup in the bathroom, it's like warm lighting, it's like a filter in there. You feel like you look so good, and then when you step out into daylight, you're like, oh my goodness, my face does not match. You know, so I bought a little mirror right here just so that I can just put it wherever I want and then do my makeup, my hair, film TikToks, and it matches our new apartment as well. So we have like wood, we have white, and we do have plants. They're fake plants, also from Amazon by the way. Very convenient, perfect size, love it. Next up is a poly gel nail kit. I've never tried poly gel before. It looks easy, but I don't know. I am excited to try it out for myself. This is a set that I have had on for 6 weeks. After 4 weeks, I did put like a color on it. Now it's kind of like, please help me. So hopefully this will work. If you guys want an update on that, I will update you. I've always done my own nails, and you just save so much money when you learn how to do those types of treatments at home. And I do everything at home, and if you guys have been here before, you guys know that I do everything at home. The next thing is a nail cuticle clipper and like a cuticle pusher. Same with like the nail kit. So this is the total package right here. So next up is falsies. These are the only lashes that I use. I don't use false lashes very often, but when I use it, it's always this one. I always come back to this one. I feel like it's really hard to find lashes that fit my eyes because I don't want like a really falsy look. I just want a more natural look, and sometimes when you buy natural falsies, they just look like nothing. This one, I feel like it's perfect. I do cut a little bit of the edges off. Yeah, I cut like 3 bouquets off, and then I put it on the outer corner. Works beautifully. I feel like this is the perfect amount of lash for my eyes. I feel like this next thing right here is gonna be interesting for you guys. I have no idea why I have never thought about this before. This is an item that every girl should have. Like if you do your skincare and if you wash your face, you need this. Here they are. These are not sweatbands, wristbands for your skincare routine. Have you seen that before? You probably haven't. I didn't. I was mind blown. You know when you wash your face and water just drips down on the side here and you feel like you want to die? No, that was dramatic. You know, that icky feeling? Say no more. Water here is fine, okay? But when it drips down to your elbow, that's when you're messing with me, okay? That's when you are picking a fight. We have gray ones, pink ones, pinker ones, and then if you're like super bougie and super careful, there are whiteys for you as well. So we all know how important it is to stay hydrated, right? Water bottle. But it's not just like any water bottle, okay? It has clothing on, okay? And the clothing has pockets. You know how we ladies love pockets. Just put your credit card in here, cell phone in here, fill this with water. There's also like a little belt thingy. So it's kind of like a water bottle purse. How about that? I love the look of this water bottle. I feel like it looks so elegant. It looks like I have my life together, you know? I drink, you know, a day. And look at the little straw thingy right here. That's like a flip phone moment, you know? Tell me more. Okay, the next thing I have is not that exciting, but it is exfoliating gloves. Let me just show you guys the color. Cute color. I've never had scrubbing gloves that are this thick before. But yeah, nothing special. We all know how this works. Yes! Yes! So the next thing, I don't know why I'm so damn excited, but I saw these. It's called GIMME hair ties. They don't have any metal on them and they don't have any glue on them. Yeah, like pretty stretchy and can handle a lot. Allegedly, this is supposed to give you like volume as well, just because it's like a thicker band. Hair ties that don't have any metal or glue on it feels like these kids' hair tie. You know, like those ones that once you stretch them out, they are out. They do not snap back. So this is kind of like a adult version of that hair tie, I feel like. It's not magic, you know, it's just hair ties, but I was kind of excited to try these just because Jaclyn Hill like raved about them. So the next thing I have has gone absolutely viral. I feel like everyone and their mothers have tried this. It's this Snail serum right here. If you have been on TikTok, you have seen this everywhere. I mean, if you watch skincare videos, everyone recommends it. Everyone is hyping it up. After like a couple of months, I'm like, okay, I'll buy it. So this is a hydrating Snail serum that's supposed to like plump your skin to the absolute max. So if you have dry skin, this is allegedly perfect for you. I'm gonna try it, make a video on it. Let's see what we think about it. So the next thing is also something I saw on TikTok and it's very suitable for dry skin. And that is the e.l.f. Skin Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. So if you guys don't know, I do a double cleanse, which means that you cleanse with a oil-based cleanser first and then you go in with a water-based cleanser. And this one is so damn affordable. I mean, e.l.f. is affordable, but this one costs like 11 bucks. And I was like, I am influenced, okay? I am a sucker for cheap things. If I can find something that is cheaper and does the job, I mean, sold. So the next thing I have right here is kind of like the same but different. I just kind of want to experiment a little bit more with retinol. I use retinol from The Ordinary and feel like I need something else. So the first one is the 1% retinol from the INKEY list. I've never used the INKEY list before, so I'm excited to try that one out. But I am a little bit more excited to try this one actually. So when I was doing research on retinol, Dr. Dre recommended this one right here and I just couldn't get a hold of it when I lived in Sweden, so my time to shine. I don't know how many percent this is, but it's retinol that Dr. Dre recommended and everything that she recommends, I want to buy. So we're gonna have a battle between these two. Oh, yes, 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 yes. I have a dry face. But you know what else is dry? My body. I saw this girl on TikTok. Oh my god, I see everything on TikTok. So I saw a girl on TikTok with the most gorgeous skin ever. She looked like butter. Oh my god, her skin was amazing and she shared some tips. One of the biggest like tips of all is this body oil right here. It's the Neutrogena body oil light sesame formula. Fragrance free. Do not like fragrance, okay? I have my perfume and that's the only fragrance that I want on my body. I don't want like passion fruit body lotion and then like mango body oil and then put my perfume on it. It just doesn't work. I feel like I need something that's more than just moisturizer because my skin just like while skin is still damp, smooth on a few drops to help seal the moisture. I'm super excited to try this. So I also bought the Powder Puffs. Super cute. I've seen like a lot of people use this instead of a beauty blender now, which I actually dig. This feels really like fancy as well. It feels like you are sitting there in your mansion with a like Chanel powder and you just like pat, 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 and then you spray one of those perfumes of like psh, psh, you know, one that has those cushions. I also bought hair rollers. I've already used them, so that's why they're out of the bag. Love them. I love the fact that they're black. First of all of these hair rollers are in like super bright neon colorful colors. I just want simplicity, okay? And finding these black ones were awesome. So the thing that really intrigued me about these rollers is that, first of all, they come in different sizes. So 3 different sizes. They do have like a metal thing inside here because when you roll your hair, you have to like heat up the strand, you have to blow dry it first, and then you put in a Retinol for it to set. But allegedly, supposedly, I haven't tried out this theory yet, but the metal inside here is supposed to like keep it warm. So you can take a section, roll it up, secure it, and then blow on like hot air in a very low setting so that you don't blow your life away. But like just blow on some hot air. It's supposed to work like a hot roller type of situation. So this is like a quick way to do a blowout look without doing the blowout, because that is a whole different jungle, okay? 2 hands, I would be sweating bullets. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it somewhat entertaining. And if you guys have any questions on these products right here, let me know in the comment section down below, because I do answer almost all of my comments. I really try to do so because you guys have given me the best damn life. I mean, I don't mean to be dramatic, but you have truly blessed me, okay? So answering your comments is the least that I can do, I feel like. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I hope you guys have a good one. Bye bye.